Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, I'm going to talk about CRISPR Therapeutics today. Again, another brief video because I'm watching it closely so that I can make an entry. Today is Friday and we are going to have the effects of options expiry and those things. So maybe we get a chance to buy CRISPR on the cheap. My target is $55 to $60 range. The closer it gets to 55, the sweeter it looks. And I have the cash set aside, profits taken from progressively selling FNGU as the price went up. So now I'm going to redeploy that money back into 100 CRISPR. And let's go to the TradingView platform as I show you what's going to happen. Welcome back, friends. Here is the CRISPR Therapeutics price chart. We had seen this yesterday while the market was still on. And at the end of the day, CRISPR Therapeutics settled at 59.60. And it's significant because it is just below the 50-day and the 20-day exponential moving average. The 50-day exponential moving average is this fluorescent green or fluorescent blue color of line out here, and it's sitting at 59.73. And the orange line, which is just below it, is the 20-day exponential moving average. It's sitting at 59.63. And CRISPR Therapeutics price has fallen 3 cents below the lowest of them. So it is below both those exponential moving averages, converting them into resistance. So today we are going to rely heavily on the support of 58.84, which is the horizontal line of support, which has been tested many times before. So it's likely to be a bit stronger. Pre-market, we can see that we are already down 9 cents. That's not a good look. And just for context, I would show you that in the futures, the NASDAQ futures are looking negative 11. It's not a very big negative number, but all the same, it is negative. So that is significant. QQQ also is trading negative pre-market, which is a proxy for us for NASDAQ. So having looked at all that and coming back into CRISPR Therapeutics, it seems to me that if the overall sentiment is negative, then it's definitely going to weigh in on CRISPR Therapeutics. And the things that are not going in favor of CRISPR Therapeutics is the fact that the MACD is moving towards the signal line, ready to cross over to the bearish side. Also, if you look at the momentum, it is steadily falling and it's already almost on the average momentum. And as you know, in my thought process, any momentum which is below average is not ideal and you can't predict the outcome. But on the other side, if you look at the way CRISPR Therapeutics has fallen, it has dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days. So just because of the fact that it has dropped for 5 consecutive days, we can have a potential that there might be bottom fishers who think that probably we have reached the bottom and they could come and bid for the share and maybe give it an upward movement. Which force will be more, we'll find out later on during the day. But I think that we are moving closer towards my sweet spot, which is between $60 and $55. We are still closer to the higher edge. So I'm going to wait for it to go down further. If it ends the day somewhere around 58.84, then on Monday, I would definitely look forward to making a buy. So that's my thought process, my friends. And in terms of catalyst, we could probably get some news about CTX211, which is their diabetes therapy under clinical trial in Canada. That's one positive information that could come out. The other could be the pediatric dose approval for Casgevy. So those are two possible imminent catalysts. We don't have any clue when it's going to come. I'll have to do a little more search. If any of you know about that, please put it in the comment section so that we can inform everybody about it. So those are the positive catalysts. Otherwise, basically, we have to wait for the momentum to hit the 30% and then bounce back up again because that's when most investors will think, okay, the share has touched the bottom and now there could be upside and they may start getting into the share and that will start pushing it upward. So that's my thoughts, and I'm thinking that I'll definitely get this share at 55. So let's watch this closely. I like to hear your feedback. Do you have CRISPR Therapeutics in your portfolio, or are you planning to dollar cost average or buy new ones? So with that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end and I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.